Earthquakes is non-fiction. It is like the text you find in science books. It tells how and why earthquakes happen. Earthquakes can cause great damage or harm. Some people think that an earthquake caused the walls of Troy to fall. Troy was in a part of the world where many earthquakes have happened. Why do earthquakes happen more often in some places than in others? Read Earthquakes to find out. This is a picture of some damage that happened during a 1989 earthquake in San Francisco, California. Listening and speaking, keywords. So here's some vocabulary that we're going to need to know for this story, for this nonfiction article. Look at the words and captions. They will help you learn the words in the box. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so here we have a powerful earthquake can destroy buildings. So these buildings have been destroyed. That's one of our words. It's totally fallen apart. These are plates or pieces of the Earth's crust. They are moving in different directions. So you can see that this is Mexico and California, and there's two pieces of the Earth, two plates that rub against each other in that part of the world. Living in places where earthquakes happen can be dangerous. So it would be dangerous to be on this road during an earthquake. Reading strategy. Look for causes and effects. Earthquakes tells why earthquakes happen. Why something happens is a cause. What happens is an effect. Writers often use the words cause and causes to show cause and effect. Read to find out why earthquakes happen. Look for the words cause and causes. Read to find out some effects of earthquakes. Reading 2, Earthquakes. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden moving or shaking of the ground. Quake is another word for shake. Earthquakes can be mild or very powerful. Powerful earthquakes can destroy buildings and bridges. They can also cause rivers to change direction. Earthquakes under the ocean can cause blah, blah, blah. This picture here, it says a powerful earthquake in 1985 destroyed many buildings in Mexico City. So we'll turn the page to find out about this sentence. Earthquakes under the ocean can cause huge waves called tsunamis to crash onto the land. Few earthquakes last more than 30 seconds. Here's a picture that says an underwater earthquake in 2004 caused a tsunami that crashed into the island of Phuket in Thailand. It destroyed everything in its path. What is the Earth's crust? Here's an illustration. The Earth's crust is made up of plates. The Earth's crust is a layer of rock that covers the Earth. It is underneath all the land and water on the Earth. The crust is made of huge pieces of rock called plates. The plates move very slowly. Where the plates touch, they can push against each other. These areas are called faults. What happens along the faults? So here's two different plates, one plate and two plates, and the line where the two plates meet is called the fault. Along the faults, the rocks press together. The pressure builds up between the plates until one of the plates snaps past the other. This causes the rock along the faults to shake. The shaking is an earthquake. During an earthquake, the Earth's crust can crack. These huge cracks usually happen along the faults. Here's a caption for this picture here. It says, these plates are moving in opposite directions. This causes pressure to build up where the plates touch. In time, the plates will snap past each other, causing an earthquake. Where do earthquakes happen? Most earthquakes happen along the faults where the plates meet. Look at the map. Here's the map. It shows the plates in the Earth's crust. One of the places where earthquakes happen is Turkey, where the city of Troy once was. So Turkey is here, and if you remember from the other story, Troy was on the coast by the Mediterranean Sea. Other places where earthquakes happen include Mexico, Japan, and California. As you can see, earthquakes can happen all over the world. So here's the plates that are all right next to each other, and along the lines where the plates touch, we call those faults. This map shows the plates in the Earth's crust. Most earthquakes happen where the plates meet. An earthquake in 1999 hit the city of Golchuk in Turkey. It's right on a fault line. The ancient city of Troy, also in Turkey, was on a fault line too. What is the San Andreas Fault? Well, look, here's a picture here. The San Andreas Fault in California. Look at that. That's amazing, that line in the sand. So here's Mexico, here's the USA, here's Canada. We have California and Mexico here, and then the San Andreas Fault is in Mexico and California. It says the San Andreas Fault in California is famous. It is where the Pacific Plate slides against the North American Plate. Earthquakes along this fault usually happen closer to the Earth's surface than at other places. They cause more shaking. These types of earthquakes are more dangerous than ones deep underground. Here's a seismograph. A seismograph measures earthquakes by recording the force of the waves. We measure earthquakes by using a special machine called a seismograph. Seismograph. The word seismograph comes from the Greek word seismos, which means earthquake. Earthquakes cause waves to pass through the Earth's crust. Stronger earthquakes make bigger waves, and weaker earthquakes make smaller waves. A seismograph records the size of the waves and how far away the earthquake is.